Hello everyone, this is Dr. Pavan Jagannath Tambre, working as Assistant Professor in Chemistry at Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Nashik. Dear friends, in last video lecture, we saw conformational analysis of ethane. Now in today's video lecture, we will see conformational analysis of propane. If you look at structure of ethane and propane, then there is a difference of one CH3 group. Ethane contains 2 carbon atom, however propane is having 3 carbon atom. Now if you look at this structure of propane, this is nothing but eclipse conformation of propane. Now how we are going to identify whether it is eclipse or whether it is staggered conformation. So if you look at this molecule carefully, you will notice that in this molecule, if you look along this carbon-carbon single bond which are shown by black color, then this carbon hydrogen bond and this carbon carbon bond, they are overlapping on each other. At the same time, this carbon hydrogen bond and this carbon hydrogen bond, which are shown by dotted line, they are also overlapping on each other. And this carbon hydrogen and this carbon hydrogen bond, which are shown by solid line, they are also overlapping on each other. This shows that this is nothing but eclipse conformation of propane. Now if we rotate this molecule by 180 degree, keeping one carbon intact, then we will get this type of structure. So what we did in this case, this carbon and this entire group we kept as it is, and this carbon-carbon single bond is rotated with the help of this carbon, so that this red colored hydrogen is came to this position because we rotated it by 180 degree, and likewise all these hydrogen changed their position and we got this conformation. Now if you look at this structure, then in this structure these bonds are staggered from each other. Look at this carbon carbon bond and this carbon hydrogen bond, then you will come to know that these two bonds are just opposite to each other. In the same way, this carbon hydrogen and carbon hydrogen bonds are also opposite to each other. So this is staggered conformation of propane. So this is the same structure, that is eclipse conformation of propane. If you look at this molecule across this carbon carbon single bond, then this molecule will look something like this. This is front carbon atom, that is this one. On this carbon, CH3 hydrogen and hydrogen are attached, and this circle is back carbon atom, and you can see 3 hydrogen atoms on this back carbon atom. In this structure, these CH3 and hydrogen, they are eclipse on each other. In the same way, hydrogens and hydrogens are eclipse on each other. So this is eclipse conformation of propane in Newman projection formula. In the same way, if you look at this staggered conformation of propane across this carbon-carbon single bond, which are shown by a black color, then this structure in Newman projection formula will look something like this. In this case, this CH3 group which is present on front carbon atom and this hydrogen which is present on back carbon atom, which is shown by red color, they are opposite to each other. And likewise all these hydrogen present on front and back carbon, they are on opposite to each other. So this conformation is staggered conformation or anti-conformation. Now this is our propane molecule in eclipse conformation. So when we rotate this molecule by 60 degree, then we will get this conformation. The front carbon atom which bears CH3 hydrogen and hydrogen, it will be intact, and we will rotating this molecule with the help of this carbon carbon single bond, so that these groups which are present on back carbon, they will move 60 degree and we will get this conformation. This is staggered conformation. If you further rotate this structure by 60 degree, we will get this conformation. Look at this red hydrogen. You can find out the movement of back carbon atom. This red hydrogen is moving from this position to this, now from this position to this position. In the same way, if you rotate this molecule further by 60 degree, we will get this conformation. Again, if you rotate by 60 degree, we will get this, and further rotation by 60 degree, we will get this conformation or this structure of this propane molecule. Now, when we compare these structures with this clock, then we can find out the torsional angle in these conformation structures, and you will notice that in this first structure the angle is 0 degree. In second structure, diagonal angle is 60 degree, just like 2 o'clock. In the third structure, which is eclipse conformation, the diagonal angle is 120. In fourth structure, diagonal angle is 180, where these CH3 and red color hydrogen, we are comparing these two. They are making a semicircle. So bond angle or diagonal angle is 180 over here. If you look at this conformation, then here bond angle is diagonal angle is 240 degree, and in this conformation the diagonal angle is 300 degree, just like 10 o'clock in this picture. So if you look at these different possible structure, then in this, these A, C and E, these are eclipse structures, and B, D and F, these are staggered structures of propane molecule. So this is again our propane molecule, and we are going to rotate it again by 60 degree each time, so that we can get energy profile diagram. So this is our propane molecule in eclipse structure. If you rotate this molecule by 60, we will get this conformation. Dear friends, look at the position of this hydrogen atom, which is shown by red color on back carbon atom, and you will find out the diagonal angles. So we got this conformation by rotating this one by 60 degree. Further, if you rotate this by 60 degree, we will get this conformation. If you rotate this eclipse conformation by 60 degree, then we will get this staggered or anti-conformation. This on further rotation will give this structure, and we will get this staggered structure by further rotation. And finally, if this structure is again rotated by 60 degree, we will get our original structure from where we started back. So if you look at these structures, these are eclipse conformations of propane, and these are staggered conformations of propane. And these are the diagonal angle which we saw in earlier slide as well. Here diagonal angle is 60 degree. In this case, diagonal angle is 120. Here it is 180, and so on. So if we put a graph of energy versus diagonal angle for these propane conformations, then we will get this type of graph. From this graph, it is clear that these eclipse structures, they are at same energy, and they are at higher energy as compared to these staggered conformations, which clearly indicates that staggered conformation is more stable as compared to eclipse conformations. Now, these eclipse conformations are comparatively less stable by staggered by an amount 3.4 kilocalorie per mole. So in conclusion, we know that in propane there are two different conformations possible. One is eclipse conformation, and these are some notable points about this eclipse conformation. In eclipse conformation, hydrogen atom on one carbon atom and CH3 group on other are at closest position to each other, and they can make an diagonal angle of either 0 degree, 120 degree, 240 degree or 360 degree. The potential energy of this conformation is greater as compared to staggered conformation by an amount of 3.4 kilocalorie per mole. Because in this structure, these CH3 group and hydrogen atoms are close to each other, angle strain in this conformation is maximum, and thus this conformation is less stable. Now the second possible conformation which we saw in propane is staggered conformation. And if you look at this staggered conformation, you will come to know that these CH3 and hydrogens, they are maximum away from each other. So these are certain notable points about staggered conformation. In staggered conformation, hydrogen atom on one carbon atom and CH3 group on another carbon atom, they are at maximum distance from each other, and they are present at dihedral angle 60°, 180° and 300°. Because this CH3 group and hydrogen atom in staggered conformation are away from each other, the angle strain is minimum, and thus potential energy of this conformation as compared to eclipse is less. It is relatively 0 kilocalorie per mole, and because of that this staggered conformation of propane is more stable in nature. So in case of propane molecule, we can notice these two different conformations, and among these two different conformations, staggered conformation is more stable at normal temperature and pressure condition because of less repulsion between groups which are present on these two carbon atoms. So I hope in this video lecture you got to know about conformation of propane. Thank you very much for watching my video.